We buy for two reasons and two reasons only. I'm not sure if you have heard about this, but we buy either to get away from pain or to get closer to pleasure. Of course you have heard about it, but do you know how to apply it to your business? Do you know how to actually use that to start making profit from it, to start selling your stuff in a better way? In this video you are gonna discover how to actually apply this concept to your own business and to your own life, to make people more persuaded by you, to make people much likely to buy from you. Now, the number one thing you have to keep in mind first is that you have to pay attention quite quietly to your customer. You have to get to know him or know her to such point that you know everything about them, or almost everything. You know what they are most afraid of, you know what they truly enjoy in life, and from there you have a great insight to start changing, for example, the way you talk to them, the way you offer the things to them. But it's all about always paying attention first. So I want you to do this. Pick the industry you are in and your ideal customer. I want you to think about three things that customer is most afraid of. Then I want you to think about three things that same customer really will enjoy. This is going to be the very base for you to sell to your customer in a point or from a point that he or she is going to get truly engaged, that the selling process is going to be so subtle and almost effortless. Okay, so you have the three things your customer is most afraid of, and you have the three things he will most enjoy. Treat him as he were a part of your family. So with this point of view, you are not even trying to sell. What you are actually doing is offering a solution to him. Just as if you see someone that is having some issues with something in your family, you actually offer a solution to them. So you have to do the very same to your customer. And this is what persuasion is actually. When you actually care about the customer, you're going to think about how to help the customer, not about how to take their money. If you have this insight, you keep this in mind, I'm going to tell you that it truly works. And you're going to feel way much fulfilled doing it this way than just doing it for the money, because you are actually changing people's lives. So I advise each and every single one of you watching this, please use persuasion in this way and start caring about your customer. Know what they are most afraid of, know what they truly enjoy, and from that standpoint of view, then you can start selling to them. But always keeping in mind that you are going to help them. That's my message for today. Identify the points of your customer that made them buy from you. Identify what they are afraid of, identify what they truly enjoy, and offer a solution to them as if they were a part of your family. If you do this, I promise your selling process is going to be so much better than it is right now. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.